Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Circuits. So why you lose interest after getting what you wanted once? You wanted it so badly, you kept thinking about it and you used to imagine how good it would feel. But once you get it, it becomes normal. It happens everywhere, with new phone, with new job, even in relationships. Before getting it, so much excitement, so much curiosity, constant thinking. But once you get it, after that, less interest, no predictions, no excitement, no chasing anymore. So हम इतने अनग्रेटफुल क्यों हो जाते हैं? और ये सब हमारे ब्रेन का गेम है. So it's not about being ungrateful. This is not about gratitude. This is how your brain is designed. Your brain keeps predicting like ये मिलेगा तो अच्छा फील होगा, लाइफ बेटर हो जाएगी. And this prediction only keeps the excitement. So that's why imagining something sometimes feels better than actually having it. Because in imagination everything is so perfect, everything is under control. और जैसे ही वो मिल जाता है, no more guessing, no more what if. And your brain goes like, this is known to me. And it stops chasing it. And it starts looking for what is next. Because once something becomes known to it, it has become normal to it, it has become familiar to it, and it stores it as a memory in your brain. So it has become part of normal life, right? So when something becomes part of your normal life, your brain stops putting attention to it. So excitement naturally reduces, not because something is wrong, because the process is complete. Your brain has become familiar to it. It doesn't need any extra attention, any extra processing to learn about this new pattern, right? For example, same happens with new phone. For a few days, for initial days, you will feel so excited, but after some day it becomes just a tool. Same happens in relationships also, right? Phone same hai, insan same hai, but your brain has become familiar to it. Your brain has adapted it. So it's not something like your brain always wants something new. It's like it wants new within what you already have. It wants something to explore. So how can we make that possible for your brain? Let's say in your relationship, you can make new conversations. You can spend time. You can learn about that person in more new ways. So your brain will have something to learn about, right? So it means your brain doesn't want new things or new people. It just wants newness, some variation, something which it can learn, right? As I told, like you can have new conversations, a new way of spending time, or something new about whatever you are already having. So then you will feel like interest is coming back. You are getting more excited now. You are getting interest in it, right? So next time, whenever you feel that you are losing interest in something, you are getting bored, why you are not having the same kind of vibe in your relationships, what you used to have before. There is nothing wrong with your life. There is nothing wrong with your relationships. It's your brain. It wants something new, something to learn. So give it that by creating some new environment, by adding some newness to your relationships, right? Then everything will be sorted. You won't feel bored. You won't feel that there is something wrong. No. Okay. So see you next time. Till then, take care.